Okay, and what is the check digit D for the MasterCard number right there? All right, so we're going to find this check digit out here for this credit card number. And again, we're typing in the first 15 numbers this time for a credit card. Total credit card number is 16 digits, but again, you never use the check digit in your calculation. All right, so again, that first thing we're going to have to do is just like UPCs, we're going to type in the number, put our weighted sum list in column B, multiply in column C, and find the sum down at the bottom. Okay, and so now we're going to go to our calculator, hit the on button, my new document. No, I don't want to save. Add this to the spreadsheet, and again, we're typing in our credit card number. So that's that 4324 68 19 17 50216. There we go, and sure enough, there are 15 numbers. So we typed in all of those numbers up there at the top. Okay, and now again in column B, I need to type in my weighted sum list. Now for a credit card, the weighted sum list for a credit card is 212121, and so on down the list. For UPC, it was at 3131. The way we keep them straight is, again, for UPC, it has 3 letters. For a credit card, the abbreviation has 2 letters. So we know that's how we know it starts with the 2 for credit cards and a 3 for UPC. So again, back over here, since we're doing a credit card, I'm going to type in my 2121. All right, and we're going on. There we go, and 2121 all the way down. And again, just like the UPCs, we're going to come over here and multiply our 2 columns together. That's going to be A times B. All right, and that will multiply these 2 columns together. 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, and so on down the list. Now again, just like UPCs, we're going to come up here and delete this one because I have to find the sum down here at the bottom. All right, so that's equals SUM. And again, we're going all the way from C1, and now we need the colon. And let's see. There it is. And we're going to go all the way down to C15 this time. We're doing the C15 because we're on row 15, or you can say there's 15 numbers that we're working with in our credit card. For UPC, it was 11 because there were 11 numbers, and we stopped on row 11. All right, so we hit enter, and our sum is 86. All right, so we come over here. The sum after the weighted sum list calculation was 86. Yeah. Now, this is where it kind of takes a jog from UPCs. We need the number of odd places bigger than 4. Now, there's a couple ways we can do that. If we come over to the calculator, there's a couple ways to look at it here. We're looking for the odd position. The odd position is these row numbers right here, right? Now, this is an even number, but it's in an odd position. This is in the first position. This is a 3, but it's in the even position. That's position 2. Position 3 is odd. Position 4 is even. Position 5 is odd. So we're looking for the ones in the odd places. That'll be place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. Okay, we're looking for the ones that are in those positions that are bigger than 4. Okay, so we're looking for the ones that are greater than 4. That's bigger than 4, so that's going to be a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9. We're looking for those numbers in the odd position. We want to count how many there are. Now, that's one way of doing it, is looking at the row numbers over here on the side. Another way to look at it is all the odd positions have the 2 for the multiplier. Not the 1, they have the 2. The 2, the 2, the 2, and so on down the list. All right, so that's another way of looking at it. So if I start there, that's in the odd position, but it's not more than 4. 4 is not more than 4. So I'm going to come down a couple. That's still a no. And there's one right there. 6 is more than 4, and it's in an odd position, so that's 1. There's another one. Nope. Nope. Yes, that's 2 of them. Nope. And yes. So that's 3 of them. So there are 3 numbers in the odd position that are bigger than 4. So that's going to be the number of odd places bigger than 4. That's 3. All right. We can also do that from over here, just looking at our credit card number right there. The odd position is going to be the first and the third in each one of these groupings, right? Or just every other number. So that would be a no, 1, nope, 2, nope, and 3 right there. So this one here, and that one right there. All right, so that's the 3. So now, we want to get the final sum for the check digit. So we're going to add these two together. 86 and 3 gives us 89. Here's the number we're going to use to find the check digit. Just like we did with UPCs, I'm going to round up the next number that ends in 0. That's 90. And so I'm going to say 90 minus 89 is 1. All right, and so there's our check digit for our credit cards. And that's it.